My name is Rhonda Johnson. I'm a psychotherapist. Psychotherapy, it can be weeks and months and years. This is minutes, maybe hours, and there's a transformation, and the system works. I've watched it work over and over and over on this weekend, and that to me is beautiful, powerful, and exciting. What BE has shown me in just a few short days is a way to heal from within, find the points in your life that have caused pain and love those points. Love them into bringing them into you and having them become your biggest asset. And to help people realize that they're good, they're whole, and to remember their true selves is something that would really open them up to be able to expand and experience life the way that they are meant to experience life, with joy and excitement and enthusiasm. And to be able to facilitate that is something that I want to bring forward into the world.